Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and today I wanted to give you my first impressions of the Essence Happy Kawaii limited edition. So I did get a bunch of this collection. I didn't get every item, so I just skipped the lip items because I already have so much. But I did get the 3 nail polishes, which look really cute. I got the eyeshadow palette. I have got the 3D nail topping, so I got the sprinkles and the Fimo slices as well. And I also got the 4-way nail file. And I got some really cute nail stickers, which you can also use on your face. This is like the first time I actually noticed this. But yeah, let's just continue swatching these and just letting you know what I think about them and sharing with you which items I do recommend and which ones I would personally skip. Let's just start with the most expensive item of this collection, which is the eyeshadow palette. And the packaging looks extremely cute. This one cost $4.99, so it is just a little below the €5 range. But it looks so cute though. If you are a sucker for packaging and cuteness, you should definitely go for this one just because of the packaging only. The only thing I don't like is that they didn't put another donut on here. This one is just like, it's way cuter like this, so why wouldn't you just put another donut image right there instead of the name and just put the limited edition only on the back. So that's actually the only thing I have to nag about this. But there are 6 shades, and this palette is called a 1 calories donut count. So on the back you actually see all the ingredients and stuff, how much is in there and what you can do with all these shades. But let me just swatch this one for you. Again, packaging too cute, really to die for. And these are the colors. So the pans are pretty big. And we've got some plum kind of shades, some browns, a little bit copper, a little bit of like a golden shimmer, I think that's in here. And we also got a beautiful shimmery reddish kind of purple, like a wine color in my opinion. But yeah, let's just swatch them on my hand and just see what I think of them. We'll just go like this. So that are the first 3. Oh, I've got a little bit of yellow nail polish right there underneath that swatch, so let's just ignore that. That's one. Pretty decent. I do feel like they are a little crummy, a little bit chalky. But that are the first 3 colors. I don't know, I think the metallic-y ones, so these 2 actually contain a shimmer, which make it a little bit metallic-y, but this one is a matte. The matte, I'm not that enthusiastic about it yet, but with a second little layer, it actually does look pretty nice. Let's just add a little bit more of that one. And these are just swatched on my bare skin, so there isn't a primer underneath or anything. So this is just the way they are and the way they look on my skin tone. But let's just continue with the other 3. So this is the reddish kind of tone, the coppery, and this is like the nude. I think there's a lot of shimmer in there. And that is what the last 3 shades look like. Ooh, that actually gives a really nice sheen. And this is the coppery shade, really shiny. And then the last, the nude kind of color, really beautiful, really pigmented. I was already expecting this, but yeah, it looks pretty. Let's get rid of some of that excess shimmer and powder, but it isn't a bad palette at all. I don't really feel like this is super summery, and it is the middle of summer while this collection came out, but I do think this will look beautiful in fall, especially with like a combination of the purpley kind of shades, the reddish, and that in the inner corner, and the brown and copper shade are just daily beautiful shades. So yeah, I'm actually really excited. Even the matte shade with just 2 layers is pretty decent as well. But I'm just going to work with this a little bit on my eyes with a primer underneath and just see how it works later on. So keep an eye out for my Instagram and my blog, because I will be making a full face makeup look with this palette. So yeah, that's that palette for €5. I think it is a pretty good deal. So you pay a little under €1 for each shade. There is pretty much in each pan. So yeah, I'm actually a pretty happy camper with this palette. Then let's go on to all of the nail stuff. So I'll just grab these two as one. This is the 4-way nail file, which looks like a milk carton. Pretty cute in my opinion. So you have the shortened side, you have the shape side, the smoothen to smoothen the area, like the surface of the nail, and you also got the polish, which makes it really smooth. I would personally skip this if you want to apply a nail polish or a gel polish, because that always needs a little bit of like a rougher surface to attach on. But if you're going for the nude kind of look and not apply any nail polish, just go ahead and use the polish side as well. And just look at that cute face. I think this is just really, really cute and really well thought of. I also really like the fact that they actually did put faces on everything, and it's just kawaii all over the place. I really like that. I am just a child at heart and I just love nail art stuff, so I was really excited about this. But the nail file was, let me check, $1.59. Not that cheap, but not super expensive as well. I just bought it because I felt like it was really cute, and I'm a sucker for packaging anyways. But on AliExpress and eBay you can really find more affordable nail files or like buffing blocks like this one, but it is a really cute one. Then the nail stickers were $1.89, and these just look too cute with donuts and cupcakes and ice creams and milkshakes. It's just even a macaron here and some clouds, all with like cute little faces. I'm really, really obsessed with these. So I might even do a nail art with these in combination with like the 3D nail toppings and nail polishes as well. But I'm just going to have to see and check if I have enough spare time to make one, because I already am scheduled in fully with nail art designs and stuff like that. So yeah. Do keep an eye out for my channel. If you want me to do any of these, just let me know in the comments below as well. But for $1.89, it isn't really expensive, but not really cheap either. It's a little bit like, nah, you might want to skip it if you're not into like the nail sticker stuff, or you're not into the really cute stuff, but I actually really like it. Then the 3D nail topping. So this one is my favorite. There's like pizza slices in here. These are all like femketjeNL, and just let me open this real quickly for you guys. Okay, so this one is the 3D nail topping 02, laugh, love, eat, repeat. And these are just femo slices in my opinion. The packaging, again, really cute. And then, ooh, this is actually pretty hard to get out of here. There we go. This is what it looks like. So again, the cap has a cute little face. There isn't much in there. It's mostly like filling where the cane or like the femketjeNL slices are on. Just look at that little face. Oh man, I'm such a sucker for cute stuff. But these are really, really thin, and they do feel pretty flexible as well. So I think, ooh, they are really, really flexible. Let me check if I can show. It won't focus because my nails are like way too much in your face. But it's really flexible. So I think these will work out really well. Oh my god, there are even like small bananas in here. Oh, this is so adorable. I love this. If you are really into the cute stuff and like the Harajuku kind of nails with the tons of embellishments, do check these out because these will look really cute on like a pink or like a pastel-y kind of nail color, and just bedazzled with a lot of gems, and just add these. I think these will look really cute. And these nail toppers were $1.59 each, so this one was $1.59 and this one as well. But let's just close this one up. I think it is really expensive though, because you don't get that much. It's only the size of the cap, which stuff you get. It looks really full, but it really isn't. But it is really cute though. And then this one is like sprinkles. Like, don't eat them, please don't eat them, because I think they are made of some kind of acrylic or plastic. So again, cute packaging, cute face on here as well, a little bit different than this one. And this one is really filled to the top, so that is pretty cool. And these are just sprinkles, like literally sprinkles you can sprinkle on top of your wet nail polish or into your acrylic and encapsulate it or anything like that. But the colors are really cute. There's a lot of blue, neon, pink, yellow, peach, white. Yeah, I like it. It's really cute, but please don't eat this stuff. That's not good for your health. And then the last three items, which I really wanted to get from this collection, were the nail polishes. These were, let me check, $1.59 each. So they are the same price as the 3D nail toppings. And they contain 5 milliliters of polish. And the first color is You're My Favorite. Really cute. It actually has greenish kind of shimmer to it, but I'm just going to swatch these for you in a little while on a nail wheel. This second one is a cute pink one, and it is called Games of Cones. Just look at that packaging. This one is just a creamy one without any shimmer. The last one is a pastel-y yellow with a golden shimmer in it. Same packaging as well, 5 milliliters, and this one is 03 Uni Cone. So let me just grab a nail wheel for now and just swatch them on here. I will definitely be making a nail art with these polishes anyway, so if you want to check and see how they are on natural nails, just wait for a little moment so I can make a nail art tutorial with this. But let me just grab a nail wheel real quick. Okay, I'm just going to swatch it on this one because this one isn't completely full yet. So first up, oh, it's so cute. Ooh, the brush is really long though compared to the rest. I can already smell that it has a specific kind of sweet smell to it. It does smell like nail polish, but it kind of smells a little different. It's not like a regular nail polish smell in my opinion, but that is what that color looks like. In person you actually can't really see the shimmer in here, but it does look like a really beautiful greeny pastel shade. And then the next one is the pink. I do feel like these caps are pretty hard to open because you don't really have much to grab on or hold on to. But, and there's just a car passing right now. My window's open because it's extremely hot here in Holland, so that's why you might hear some extra background noises. But this pink is just a beautiful, like, strawberry milkshake kind of pink, fully creamy. Really beautiful. This one will need 1 or just 2 thin coats to be completely opaque. Let me just close this one real quick because it is really hot here and nail polishes tend to dry extremely quickly now. So just make sure if you are in like a warmer weather climate, you just want to close your bottles when you don't use them, because otherwise your polish will become really thick and not easy to work with. Then the third and last polish is this cute little pastel-y yellow. Ooh, and you can really see the shimmer in real life, but it's not like super in your face, but it gives a really pretty shine. I don't think the camera will pick this up, but all colors are really glossy, which I love. and I would really love to just use these colors in combination with the Fimo slices. Just look how cute that combination is. I love this so much. But yeah, these were the 3 colors of nail polish, and for just $1.59, that's really a bargain though. Even if you're only like into the cute stuff and not really into the nail polish, just get them. They are cute, they are adorable. But yeah, that was actually the entire like first impression slash review slash swatch video already. If I would have to say which items you should really get, if you are into the cute stuff, just get the entire collection. It isn't that expensive, it's actually pretty affordable. If you're really into makeup, do get the palette because it does have some great shades. If you're not into like the purpley tones, just go for these 4 colors because they are really pretty. And if you're into nail stuff and just cute stuff in general, go for the Fimo canes. There isn't much in there, but they are really cute and just adorable. The sprinkles, I don't know if I will use them very often, but for a cute design like Harajuku style kind of nails, I think it's kind of cute. And the nail polishes are just to die for. Just look at those 3 colors. I love them so much, and they are really affordable as well. But yeah, that was actually already my entire video. I really hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comments down below so I can reply to you directly. But yeah, thanks for watching. If you're new, please subscribe. It's really highly appreciated. But I will see you guys next time.